Alright guys, quick little video on bolt extraction. If you want to know how to take off broken bolts, stick around. Okay, so today we've got Jeep Liberty where the antenna blew off. This is the FM radio antenna. It belongs to my mother-in-law. She bought a replacement antenna, but it won't screw in, and if you look down in here you can see why. See if I can get this thing to focus. Here, let's try this mode. There we go. There's the broken off end of the old antenna in there, so we got to get that out. Now normally there's two ways to extract the screw. You can take a saw, if I can get this thing into the camera here, take a saw and cut a slot in there so that you can get it out with a flathead screwdriver. But because this one's recessed and I would have to cut a slot down into the housing itself as well, I'm going to try a different method, and that's going to be these broken bolt extractors, or easy outs as they're called. Ignore that one, that one's a tap. So the idea is we're going to drill a little hole into the back of this thing and then fit one of these, probably this one over here, will go down in there. It's left-handed thread, so when you turn it counterclockwise, it'll grab the inside of that bolt and start turning it and pull it out. Okay, quick note on the materials. We've got a cordless drill, we've got our extractor set, we've got a T-handle, and we've got our drill index. So we're going to try and gauge. I really think this is the one right here that we need. Pardon the wind noise, it's really windy out here today. I'm going to size it up there, and that looks like that'll work pretty good. I just got to get a hole into the back of that screw. See if I can get it to turn at all. No? Okay. You know, I'm actually going to grab my center punch too. Okay. So with the center punch, what we're trying to do is get a little divot to get our drill bit started. So it doesn't have to be exact, but pretty darn close. So we're going to hit it a couple times. There. As you can see, there's a nice divot in there to get our drill bit started. Alright, looks like I'm going to be doing a lot of holding the camera while I do this. So that's going to slow things down a little bit. What I'm doing right now is going through my drill index, trying to find the right bit. That one's just a little small. Let's try this one out. Alright, this one will work. So I'm going to start with that one. Let me get it loaded in the drill. Okay, now we'll go ahead and drill it. We want to drill as straight as we can. The straighter the better. And we're just going to take it nice and easy and not put a lot of pressure on the drill. Oh, I just saw it turn. That's good. That means it's not real tight. See there, we're getting pretty deep down in there. We'll go a little bit more. Alright, so let's... What if we've got a bigger extractor? How about this guy? This guy might be able to grab it right now. No. No. Going through my extractors here. What about that guy? Oh, this guy, look, I don't even need my T-handle, look at that. We're just backing it out by hand. There it is. There's the end of our screw. Okay, now we should be able to install our antenna. Just blow that off with some air and call her done. Done. Alright guys, super simple if you got the tools and the know-how. I'll go ahead and put links down in the bottom. If you found this video entertaining or helpful in any way, give me a thumbs up, man. Let me know I'm doing alright. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, mash that subscribe button. Y'all take care.